Most people think seeing a doctor is enough after a crash. It's not. I'll walk you through 5 medical tips that can protect your health and can be the difference between winning and losing your case. Hey, I'm attorney Bourgeois, your Louisiana injury attorney. I've spent years helping injured folks just like you fight back when insurance companies try to take advantage of them. If you've been in a crash and need someone in your corner, give me a call at 504-882-9867. Now let's dive into it. Number 1, see a doctor ASAP, even if you feel fine. The biggest mistake I see people make, waiting. After a crash, your adrenaline is pumping. You might not feel the pain yet, but just because you feel okay today doesn't mean you won't wake up tomorrow with a stiff neck, pounding headache, or shooting back pain. If you delay going to the doctor, the insurance company will assume you were not hurt, or that something else caused your injury. That delay often costs clients big time. Ideally, you should get checked out the same day as the crash or within 24 hours. Go to the emergency room, urgent care, or your primary doctor. Tell them everything, no matter how minor it seems. A simple note in your file that says, patient reports mild soreness in your lower back can become important later if that soreness turns into a herniated disc. And without that early record, it's going to be your word against theirs. Number 2, be detailed when describing your symptoms. When you talk to your doctor or healthcare provider, don't downplay your symptoms. I know it can feel awkward. Maybe you were raised to tough it out or not complain, but this isn't the time for that. Tell your doctor about everything, every ache, every twinge, every symptom, even if it feels small or embarrassing. Mention if you're having trouble sleeping, headaches, dizziness, or trouble concentrating. Talk about the emotional side as well. If you're feeling anxious, jumpy around traffic, depressed, here's why it matters. Your medical records become the official record of your injuries, and if something isn't written down, the insurance company will act like it didn't happen. And if symptoms appear later, like shooting pain down your legs, it's much harder to prove it came from the crash if you didn't mention early back pain. You're not just helping your doctor treat you better, but you're documenting your injury, which is crucial to your case. Number 3, follow through with every appointment. Another thing that hurts cases is when folks miss appointments. When you stop going to physical therapy or skip follow-ups with your doctor, the insurance company sees that as a sign you're healed or not hurt that badly to begin with. Look, I know, life gets busy. Maybe work makes it hard to get time off. Maybe you're tired of the medical bills piling up. But stopping treatment early can give the insurance adjuster the excuse they're looking for to reduce your compensation. If you absolutely must miss an appointment, reschedule it right away. And if you feel like the treatment isn't helping, talk to your doctor about it. Don't just stop showing up. Every missed visit is a gap in your medical history, and every gap is a chance for the insurance company to argue your injuries aren't serious or that something else happened in the meantime to cause them. Number 4, keep track of all your medical records and bills. You might assume your lawyer or the insurance company is going to collect everything. Don't. We'll try, but without your help, we don't know exactly what we need to get. You need to keep your own record from day one. Every document, ER discharge paper, doctor's note, prescription, test results, receipts, even parking costs for your medical visits. Create a folder and keep it organized. You can do this digitally or physically. If your injuries keep you from missing work, track those days too. If you have to take PTO, make sure to document it. Missed income is part of your damages, but it needs to be documented. This paper trail does more than prove your medical costs. It shows the full impact of the crash on you, how it disrupted your life, drained your finances, left you in pain. And when it comes time to make a demand or go to trial, details matter. Number 5, choose providers who understand personal injury cases. Look, not every doctor is the same when it comes to crash cases. Some providers don't understand how important their documentation is. Others may refuse to get involved with legal claims altogether. Whenever possible, work with providers who are familiar with personal injury claims. They know what insurance companies are looking for in the records. They know how to document causation and what to include in medical reports. This doesn't mean your doctor needs to be on your legal team, but it does mean that they should be comfortable writing medical narratives, providing records promptly, and if needed, testifying or offering a written opinion about your injuries. If you're not sure where to go, you can always ask your lawyer. We've worked with plenty of honest, reputable doctors throughout our community who can treat you and help support your case. Getting the right care shouldn't feel like a guessing game. If you've been seriously hurt in a crash, you don't need to get a second chance to do this right. These medical steps you take now could help decide whether you get the fair compensation you need or walk away stuck with the bills. If you or someone you care about has been seriously injured in a crash and you're looking for an experienced attorney who will fight to get you the compensation you deserve, I'm Bourgeois. Reach out to me and my team today at 504-882-9867. Remember, when you want to win, you gotta give them the L. And if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and check out this next video.